Gangnam Style, the worldwide phenomenon that puts South Korea on the map. But what is this Gangnam actually? Well, it's an area in Seoul and it's known for its big city vibes. But what we found there was actually quite surprising. So come along with us as we explore this Gangnam area. Hey, welcome back everyone to another Kokoro Kompas episode in Seoul. And look who's here. People asked for her appearance and she's here. Michael will be coming today as well. We're gonna go to maybe the most famous area of Seoul, Gangnam. You know, from the song Gangnam Style? Whoop, whoop, that one. And yeah, it's supposed to be a nice place. Someone told me there's a nice shopping mall and there's a temple. And I want to know all about this Gangnam area. Heard the song so many times. So let's see what Gangnam Style is all about. Alright, we arrived in Gangnam and the first thing I saw was very scary and a little bit sad. Not a nice first introduction to Gangnam, but I'll try to forget about it. So the first thing we're gonna check out is the COX mall. Not sure how to pronounce this, but apparently some big ass mall. Looks very high-end, a lot of screens, a lot of technology. They even have the sophisticated technology of strobe waffles all the way from the Netherlands. Amazing. So this library is right in the shopping mall and it feels very Disney-esque. They even play some kind of fairy tale music in the background. Sounds very magical. It's cool, it's nice atmosphere. It's very unexpected to see a library here, but yeah, it's pretty cool.
있는 이야기는 바로 이상한 토끼와 앨리스. 우와, 재밌겠다.
Alright, a little piece of happiness. I can use that after seeing that scary crawling man when we just arrived here. All this happy stuff is slowly curing my traumatized soul.
You should all leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
Hello, Gurumi. It's all butter themed. This is just butter. A butter plushie. Interesting. That store was so cute. I love cute things like this. Even as a grown adult man, I love cute stuff. There's more cute stuff than I thought in Korea, like right here. Crook cats. Isn't that just adorable? And even the food here is cute and trendy. Now I'm not sure what this Shiba Inu character is trying to say, but I think he's saying everyone should leave a comment on the video. Quite sure that's what it says.
What? I used the correct coffee. I want this.
Alright guys, I have a new mission for today. I want to find the cutest character, and when I hit 1000 subscribers, I'm gonna give this character to my favorite comments. That's a good idea? I think that's a good idea. Oh, this one's really cool. I like this one. Which one is screaming Kokoro Compass? Let me know in the comments. Which character did you like most? Ah, I understand. It's like a gacha system. You buy and it's a random one. So I can't really choose, so we have to choose by category. Little store is pretty cute. Actually, they're all cute. I also like this Village Zaka. And I keep seeing this weird SpongeBob with rabbit ears. I think it's a collaboration. SpongeBob X the Monsters. Interesting. Well, I thought there was some sort of super handsome actor, but it was just a nerdy gamer like myself. Nerds are cool. I'm finally cool. Alright, we were stuck inside for long enough on such a beautiful day. It's not as humid today. It's tolerable, finally. And off here in the distance I can see a temple. So let's go take a look at that. This temple is really interesting. They have a lot of plants and I think you can buy them. Interesting business model for a temple. Whoa, and look at this guy. Now that was certainly very interesting and not something I expected when I came to Gangnam. I thought Gangnam would be big buildings, city, shopping, but we found this amazing temple and we could see the prayer and yeah, this place is nice. I think we almost spent 1 hour here. So yeah, definitely if you're in the mall, it's right across from the mall, check it out, it's really nice. And of course in Gangnam there is a Gangnam style statue. I kind of forgot to film an outro, so I'll just do it right now as I'm walking home. Today was a nice day. It was nice to see Gangnam. I've heard so many things about it and I have to say it's a pretty nice area. That shrine came really unsuspected. That shrine was really nice. Shrine or temple, not sure what to call it. And the river area was also nice, but we were there just a little bit too late. So we'll come back there at a different time for sure. And if you're still here watching all the way to the end of the video, you're a legend. And thanks for watching. And hopefully you'll watch the next video again, because we have many more adventures planned. We still haven't even left Seoul. Can you imagine what lies beyond Seoul? Alright, I think it's a little bit late. I'm getting a little bit crazy. I think it's time to head to bed. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye bye.